We've waited too long for this camera, DJI Pocket 4.
From the first leaked photo to the explosive spread of various information, details about it have finally surfaced. In the 2 years since the launch of Pocket 3, this camera has almost dominated half of the vlog field, with the prevalence of short video bloggers, long video bloggers, and even student bloggers each having one. What kind of answer will the successor to the vlog god give us?
If you want to quickly understand the changes between Pocket 4 and the previous generation, it can actually be explained in one sentence. The appearance remains unchanged. The accessories are compatible. The sensor is still 1 inch. The body has added contact points, built-in storage, new buttons, longer battery life, faster startup, more stable focus tracking, more sensitive joystick. The body is slightly longer, just a bit. The material has changed to grey matte, and the number on the body has changed from 3 to 4. But if we talk in detail, there's much more to say. Obviously, the success of the Pocket 3 made DJI cautious about casually changing the appearance of the next generation Pocket. This iconic design has already won the market's favor and left a strong impression on users, so when you first handle the Pocket 4, what you feel is familiarity. Familiar gimbal, familiar screen, familiar accessories. The adapter handle, battery handle, ND filter, soft light filter, wide-angle lens, adapter, and tripod from the Pocket 3 can all be seamlessly used with the Pocket 4. The protective case can be discarded. It has now been replaced by something called a gimbal clamp. Its design is clever, allowing the 3 axes and the screen to be fixed through a clip-on structure. For those traveling light, this might be a good thing, but for friends who need soft light filters and wide-angle lenses, it might not be as convenient as the fixed points on the protective case. This is a change you need to be aware of. After turning on the rotating screen, the 2 new multifunction buttons are right in front of you. Now at this point, the gimbal unlocks and starts rotating, and you quickly notice additional contact points on the roll axis. Is DJI also going to start creating its own magnetic ecosystem? But currently there is only one magnetic fill light accessory. I have to say, it's quite bright. Once attached, you can use this device that looks a lot like an anglerfish to shoot a vlog. Turning the body to the side, you finally notice that the card slot is not as simple as the previous generation. Open the protective cover, insert the storage card, set the image quality parameters to 4K 60 frames, and start using it to record your first video.
The sensor size of the Pocket 4 remains at 1 inch. After all, trying to fit a larger sensor in this size is indeed difficult, which I can understand. However, it does not use the same square 1-inch sensor as the Osmo Action, but rather a new module with higher pixels and dynamic range.
Its recording specifications haven't changed much compared to the previous generation, with horizontal screens still at 4K 60 frames per second and vertical screens still at 3K 60 frames per second, but slow motion has been upgraded to 4K 240 frames per second. Thanks to the increase in pixel count, it now has a clearer mid-focus mode. No longer just simple zooming in and out, but point-to-point 4K output. Compared to Pocket 3's 2x zoom, it now has a quite usable focal length. From this generation's imaging style, you can see that it no longer has that silly brightening and simple high saturation, but rather pursues more realistic color reproduction, and this time DJI has introduced a color mode I never expected, D-Log.
You should know that this color mode, which only appeared in professional lines, is being introduced to the Osmo Pocket for the first time. It has a wider dynamic range and post-production space than D-Log M. You can finally integrate its footage into the post-production workflow of professional cameras. Whether for variety show recording or personal video creation, this is a good thing.
Then I have to ask DJI a question, which is when will they make this D-Log available for the Mini, Air, Action, Avatar, Flip, 360 and Nano? When?
We all know that this year, due to the frenzy of the AI wave, the prices of storage chips have also risen. But for some reason, DJI seems completely unaffected by this wave, and has instead packed 107 gigabytes of built-in storage into the body. Plus, with the upgraded USB 3.1 interface, I can actually complete the filming of this episode without even inserting a card. In terms of battery life, after testing, it can continuously record 120 minutes of 4K at 60 frames per second video. Its power button speed and UI operation are smoother than the Pocket 3. In terms of smart features, gesture control has been added and tracking has become more stable, making it hard to lose it. With various Osmo accessories and audio ecosystem, the Pocket 4 will surely offer more creative possibilities for more people. It's almost the perfect vlog camera in my mind. As for why it hasn't reached that point,
I think this issue can be solved with a telephoto lens. Thank you for watching this episode. This is XL Vision. See you next time.